So we're here today meeting with RiVR, who we've brought on board this year as a new technology partner for the show. Something we're really excited about. We've been working behind the scenes on this for a little while now. Really excited about the value that it's going to add to attendees and our exhibitors and really cement the show's future over the next few years.
They're looking to offer all of the exhibitors content creation, whether it be VR, 360 video, 2D video, and this is something that's going to go from our SMEs and first-time exhibitors right up to some of our primes.
One of the challenges that all our exhibitors face is how to make the equipment that they have, the technology that they have, real to the end user. And the end user is absolutely critical because it's the end user who will ultimately judge the value for money of the equipment and the technology that they're being faced with. And this year we are partnering with RiVR to help deliver to our exhibitors the ability to convey their message through the use of virtual reality. And doing that is a new adventure for us, a new adventure for RiVR, and indeed a new departure for the defence events industry. And so we're all very excited to take us in that direction.